3. Today we will start a new chapter which is fun with numbers. Okay, fun with numbers. So open your math magic book and the page number is 13. Page number is 13. So can you see, students, there are some children who are doing some fun, isn't it? Their face seems to be like that they are too much happy with all of them. So there are some children and the name of the children are Radhika, Gauri, Vicky, Indra and Sunil. Okay. Now all of they were collecting imli seeds. So we all know that what is imli. In English it's called turmeric seed. Okay. Now we will read their conversation. Okay. So first of all, the first one is, see, Radhika. Radhika has said, I have picked 24 seeds. 24 seeds of what? 24 seeds of imli. Then Gauri said, Hari, I got 47 seeds. Sunil said, here are my 38 seeds. And Indra said, I got 54 seeds. And Vicky said, I think I have collected 42 seeds. So we can see there are some children, those who are collected different amount of English seeds. So take out your pencil and inside the book we will do the class work. We will do this filling the blanks part from the above information. So dash collected the most seeds. So among those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, among those 5 friends or children, who has collected the most number of seeds? So it's Indra. Yes, you are definitely absolutely correct. So I am giving this star. I will not write down whole line. I will write down only the answer. Okay, over here, and you will write it on the copy. So yes, Indra collected 54 seeds. So definitely Indra here collected the most number of seeds. So Indra will be the first answer. Okay. Then the second number, Sunil will collect dash more seeds to be equal to Vicky. So Sunil means they are asking that how many more seeds Sunil have to be collected that he can equal with the Vicky. So we will see that Sunil collected 38 seeds and Vicky collected 42 seeds, isn't it? 42 seeds. So how many more seeds Sunil have to be collected? So yes, it's 4, because after 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 4. So the next answer will be 4. Then the third number, if Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have, means already Radhika had 24 seeds and now they are asking if it's 6 more. Then 6 more means what we have to do? We have to be add this seeds with 24 and it will become 30, isn't it? She will have 30 seeds. Okay. Now the next one. How many children have more than 40 seeds? How many children have more than 40 seeds? Okay. So Gauri, then Indra, then Vicky. Yes, it's 3. So how many children have more than 40 seeds? It's 3. 3 children. Okay. It's 3 children. Now the next one is dash needs 3 more seeds to have 50. So among those who needs 3 seeds to make it 50, so it's Sujan, Ushmi and MD Wasim has said Gauri. So let's see Gauri. Where is Gauri? Okay, so Gauri had collected 47 seeds, and if we add 3 with that, then 47, 48, 49, 50. Yes, Gauri is the correct answer. Okay, now the next one. Shunil has 2 seeds less than 40 and Dash has 2 seeds more than 40. So we Sunil, yes, Sunil had 38 seeds which is less than 40, which is 2 seeds less than 40. Yes, 38. So 39 for 40. So two fingers, what I am saying, 2 finger less, and Dash has 2 seeds more than 40. So Vicky, all are saying Vicky, yes, because Vicky has said that I have collected 42 seeds. So it's 2 more than 40. So here it will be Vicky. Okay, so done this page, students? Tell me, all of you, is it done better? Okay, then come to the next page. Hurry up. Okay, so on the 14 number page, on the page number 14, look at here. Let's see that whether we can get some maths from here or not. So it's a dot game. Guess the number of dots in the circle. Now count and check your guess. Play this game with your friends by making circles. See who can guess the best. So here one deer is saying, can you guess the number of dots on me? And then the one small insect said, and me. So what is the actual thing here? That there are lots of dots over here. You can see there are lots of dots, and they are saying that randomly make any one circle or 2 circle, and inside the circle how many dots are there, you have to be, without counting, you have to be first guess, and then after that you have to be count that whether your guessing is correct or not. So this is a game type. At home you can play with your brother or sister. Now only we will do from here the 2 questions. First one from the deer. Okay, so deer is saying that can you guess the number of dots on me? So on the body of deer, how many dots are there? Can you count the dots? Can you count the number of dots? Okay, Susan has said 7. So rest of all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I can see it's the 7. Yes. Okay. So MD Wasim has said that it's 14. So it's a very good answer. Sheikh Chad has said 16. No, but it's not 16. But it can be 14. It can be 14. Why? Because this is our book, isn't it, beta? This is our book, and it is a 2 dimension. Here we can see only one side of the deer, isn't it? We all learned the side view now from our class, from our previous class. So here we can see only the one side. So on the another side it can be the same number of dots. So in that case you can say that it might be 14, but as we can see here only 7, then if you write down 7, I couldn't cut your marks. So better I will say you one thing. Better I will suggest you one thing, that how many you can see now. How many you can see with your open eyes right now on the book. You just write down that number of dots. So with our open eyes now, we can see only the 7 dots. We can see only the 7 dots. So if you write them, so if you can write down 7, okay? And if you write down 14, still okay, then still I will not cut the marks. So this is a page number 14. It's a dare. Dare, how many you will write down, students? You can write down 7 or 14. Okay? For the dare, you can write down. And for the ladybug, it's how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the ladybug, it's 6. So we will write down 6 dots, 7 or 14 dots. Okay? Which one? Then cut the call, Joita, and rejoin the class once again. Okay? Okay. After that, ouch. After that, come to the next page. It's a 15 number page. It's a 15 number page. We can see that they are showing us a cricket match view. So Dhoni's century, one-day match between India and South Africa in Guwahati. India batting fast. India batting fast. So the one person who is doing the commentary is saying Dhoni on 96. Only one ball left. Will he complete his century? And look at this. What a marvelous 6. Then the girl is saying, has he completed his century? Has he completed his century? So fill in the blanks part you have to be do now. So now I am rubbing this part. Okay, I hope that you have done this side. Now the question is, Dhoni scored 96 plus dash equal to dash runs. Dhoni scored 96 plus dash equal to dash runs. So Dhoni already on 96. Already he was in 96, and then after that he shot, and then after that he give a shot which is 6. So it's equal to 102 runs. Okay. How many runs do these players need to complete a century? How many runs do this player needs to complete a century? Player 1, player 193, player 193. So how many runs needed? Player 1, score is 93. How many runs needed? Say me. many runs? 97. So how many runs he needs to make it 100 or century? Yes, Susan, he needs 3 runs. Then player 3. Player 3, it's 89. 89. How many runs? Check chart. 11. Very good. It's 11 runs. Then player 4. Player 4, 99. How many runs he needs? Yes, it's only 1 runs. Okay? Okay, now page number 16 will be your homework. Page number 16. Who said it's 12? No, it's not 12, it's 1 run only. It's Utkarsh, yes. Okay. So see 116, 99, first of all digits in numbers it has been given, then after that in words. So for those number word has been missing or missing, you have to write down those number in words, okay? And sometime word has been given, you have to write down the numbers. So 16 number page is your homework. Page number 16, okay? It's a homework. Is it clear for everyone? Tell me. Okay, now tell me that regarding today's class, do you have any problem or any queries? Whatever we have done today, do you have any problem? Anything that you can't understand, I have to be say? No, yes, because it's so easy, na? They has given us the information, and then after that from there they have asked us so little question like so small addition and subtraction. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, have a good day.